What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm still here in Five Below and I'm seeing lots of new toys and blind bags. So I just wanted to start right here with these tiny Boxy Girls. These are $5 each. And you get the doll and you get a little blind fashion surprise inside. They have this one and this one. I love this one. Look at her hair. This one, and then there's one with blonde hair in the back. I think this one is my favorite. I just love her like purplish pink hair. We have some $3 Littlest Pet Shops here. And they still have the Ryan's mystery figures, but they added some other Ryan's things that I want to share with you guys. And then the Mighty Beans are $2.99, and the JoJo mini tins are $4.99. And you get 2 magnet cards, 2 puffy stickers, 1 charm, and 1 mini poster. Those are $4.99. They have the Pick Me Pop Surprises for $3.99. The Shopkin Wild Styles for $2.99. The JoJo Mystery Bows for $3. And it's going to be a really small bow. The Surprise-a-Moles for $4. And they have the Doorables for $3.99. Let's see. I was trying to see what season or series this was. It just says Mini Peek on the front. Mini Peek. And then we have Feisty Pets. I love the carrier. They have green carriers and yellow carriers and red carriers. The 5 Surprise for $5 by Zuru. I think these are new, the Shimmer and Shine Mega Blocks for $3. Ooh, look at this set for $3. You get 50 pieces and it's nothing but like trees and little jungle pieces. And then they've added these bags, nothing but reds, 100 pieces of red and 101 pieces of like bright yellows and oranges. I love these colors. Gator wanted to try these mini beasts out. This is the Treasure Dragons Gold for $5. They added a whole bunch of Lego figure dupes for $5. I think this 3-wheeler is new too. It has 129 pieces and the tools are included. And then they have some really nice Brick Zone kits. Gator loved his Brick Zone kits. Futurama. Mega Constructs Heroes. They also have Star Trek. Captain Kirk. I'm seeing another little Shimmer and Shine kit with the cute little monkey Tala for $3. And Robo Machines. This is 176 pieces, ages 6 and up. It makes 4 individual models. I love that we can just come in here and grab something for $5. And the kits are really good, you guys. They are really, really good. Gator loves his so much. What do we have down here? Ushi's Vinyl Edition, Superman, Batman, another Batman, and they have some Fortnite figures. Venema and Kangxi. These are $5. It says it transforms with the card. These are definitely new. Let's see if I can find those little things from Ryan's World that I was wanting to tell you guys about. Maybe it wasn't this way. I think it was back this way. Ryan's World came out with some new, I think they're like stretchy or squishy figures. They're not the regular squishies though. Here they are. The Ryan's Splatee Pals. Sticks to walls. These are $5. And here's Gus. If you guys are into Gags, they have a huge section of gag toys over here. Painless piercings, disappearing ink, cookie surprise, worms, fake dandruff, snap gum for $1, puke pile, little whoopee cushions, those are $1.50. This is a squirt button for $3. Fart bomb for $1.50. Fart powder for $1. A dribble glass for $2. You could pretty much come in here and spend hours just looking at everything. I think they're out of the Nerf gun bullets. We got some in here. We got a huge pack of them. Oh, and look, they added some new slides for men and women. These are probably unisex. Minnesota Twins. If you guys head into your store, you'll probably find whatever your team is for your state on those slides. And they have tons of tumblers. I actually need to get a new water bottle. These are metal. These are BPA-free plastic. Ooh, this is nice. This one is really nice. Look at this. It holds 34 ounces. That's how much I need. This is really nice. I might have to get this, you guys. We have this color. And then there's a purple. And then there's a blue. I think I really like this color a lot. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. I think I want to get that today. I think they have some new spa essential items. This is brand new. These cherry blossom bath salts. And then we have Tea Spa bath salts. How many of you watched Simply Nailogical's video where she did a big tea bath? And it was like so bright red, so like pink and red in her bathtub, and her shirt was like getting dyed. Well, I don't think this would have the same effect. That video was funny, and she was like so hot by the end of it. They have so many cute things over here, you guys. Birdy really loves, and I don't know if they have them anymore, but Birdy really loves the facial mist. The one I got for her was in Wild Rose. I think the Wild Rose might be sold out though. Ooh, but this is new. Neroli Hydrating Face Mist. Ooh, that's what I need. I have really dry skin. I like the hydrating things. And then this is also new. This is the Lavender Vanilla Shower Gel. They also have London Rose, and this is by Simple Pleasures. And Cucumber Eucalyptus. That sounds really nice. And then these are new too. This is a little fragrance body oil set. Fragrance to body oils. And they match these scents right here. Don't forget this end cap over here. These are all the new festival makeups. They have a lot of like different palettes over here. Face and body glitter, highlight. That's the festival color collection. This is what it looks like. I love it when they put out new palettes. I would spend some time at the perfumes because I got a request for the perfumes, but to be honest, you guys, they really haven't added many new ones. So I think I'm gonna pass until it's a little more stocked. But you guys know my all-time favorite from Five Below is this Kimberly, their version of Kim Kardashian. It smells so amazing. This is the sample bottle. You guys will love it. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. If you guys want to keep seeing these Five Below videos, just show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.